In this short video, we're going to learn how to mince garlic like a boss. Mincing garlic is pretty straightforward as well. We take a garlic clove. With the butt end of the knife, we're going to smash it. What that does is it makes the paper much easier to take off, and it puts the garlic in a form that's easier to mince. I'll do this a couple more times here. And one more. See how easily the paper comes off? Then, with our knife, all we're really going to do is just run the blade right across the cloves, the smashed cloves, until we get the desired fineness. And that is all there is to it. As usual, it is a privilege for me to be able to share this time with you. Thanks for letting me do that. If you found some value, shoot me a quick like, and thanks for watching.